infinitive, present tense, present participle, past tense, past participle, कृदंत, वर्तमान काल, वर्तमान कृदंत, भूतकाल, भूतकृदंत.
infinitive, present tense, present participle, past tense, past participle.
To come, आवूं, come, coming, came, come.
To come, coming, came, come.
To cook, रसोई करवी, cook, cooking, cooked, cooked.
To cook, cooking, cooked, cooked.
To cut, कापूं, cut, cutting, cut, cut.
To cut, cutting, cut.
To dance, नाचવું, dance, dancing, danced, danced.
To dance, dancing, danced.
To do, કરવું, do, doing, did, done.
To do, doing, did, done.
To drink, પીવું, drink, drinking, drank, drunk.
To drink, drinking, drank, drunk.
To eat, ખાવું, eat, eating, ate, eaten.
To eat, eating, ate, eaten.
To enjoy, આનંદ કરવો, enjoy, enjoying, enjoyed, enjoyed.
To enjoy, enjoying, enjoyed.
To fight, લડવું, fight, fighting, fought, fought.
To fight, fighting, fought.
To go, જવું, go, going, went, gone.
To go, going, went, gone.
To have, હોવું, have, having, had, had.
To have, having, had.
To hear, સાંભળવું, hear, hearing, heard, heard.
To hear, hearing, heard.
To laugh, હસવું, laugh, laughing, laughed, laughed.
To laugh, laughing, laughed.
To learn, શીખવું, learn, learning, learnt, learnt.
To learn, learning, learnt.
To leave, છોડવું, live, living, left, left.
To leave, leaving, left.
To listen, સાંભળવું, listen, listening, listened, listened.
To listen, listening, listened.
To love, પ્રેમ કરવો, love, loving, loved, loved.
To love, loving, loved.
To play, રમવું, play, playing, played, played.
To play, playing, played.
To put, મૂકવું, put, putting, put, put.
To put, putting, put.
To read, વાંચવું, read, reading, read, read.
To read, reading, read.
To see, જોવું, see, seeing, saw, seen.
To see, seeing, saw, seen.
To sing, ગાવું. Sing, singing, sang, sung.
To sing, sing, singing, sang, sung.
To smile, સ્મિત કરવું. Smile, smiling, smiled, smiled.
To smile, smile, smiling, smiled, smiled.
To speak, બોલવું. Speak, speaking, spoke, spoken.
To speak, speak, speaking, spoke, spoken.
To travel, પ્રવાસ કરવો. Travel, traveling, travelled, travelled.
To travel, travel, traveling, travelled, travelled.
To walk, ચાલવું. Walk, walking, walked, walked.
To walk, walk, walking, walked, walked.
To write, લખવું. Write, writing, wrote, written.
To write, write, writing, wrote, written.
Continuous stage, ચાલુ સ્થિતિ.
Continuous stage.
The form of to go, continuous stage. ચાલુ સ્થિતિમાં જવુંના રૂપ.
The form of to go, continuous stage.
Present tense, past tense, future tense. I am going. I was going. I shall be going. હું જઈ રહ્યો છું. હું જઈ રહ્યો હતો. હું જઈ રહ્યો હોઈશ.
I am going. I was going. I shall be going.
We are going. We were going. We shall be going. અમે જઈ રહ્યા છીએ. અમે જઈ રહ્યા હતા. અમે જઈ રહ્યા હોઈશું.
We are going. We were going. We shall be going.
You are going. You were going. You will be going. તું જઈ રહ્યો છું. તું જઈ રહ્યો હતો. તું જઈ રહ્યો હશે.
You are going. You were going. You will be going.
He is going. He was going. He will be going. તે જઈ રહ્યો છે. તે જઈ રહ્યો હતો. તે જઈ રહ્યો હશે.
He is going. He was going. He will be going.
She is going. She was going. She will be going. તે જઈ રહી છે. તે જઈ રહી હતી. તે જઈ રહી હશે.
She is going. She was going. She will be going.
It is going. It was going. It will be going. તે જઈ રહ્યું છે. તે જઈ રહ્યું હતું. તે જઈ રહ્યું હશે.
It is going. It was going. It will be going.
They are going. They were going. They will be going. તેઓ જઈ રહ્યા છે. તેઓ જઈ રહ્યા હતા. તેઓ જઈ રહ્યા હશે.
They are going. They were going. They will be going.
Continuous present tense, ચાલુ વર્તમાનકાળ, form to go.
Continuous present tense, form to go.
I am going to school. હું સ્કૂલે જઈ રહ્યો છું.
I am going to school.
We are going to the market. અમે માર્કેટ જઈ રહ્યા છીએ.
We are going to the market.
You are going to the shop. તમે દુકાને જઈ રહ્યા છો.
You are going to the shop.
He is going to Mars. તે મંગળ પર જઈ રહ્યો છે.
He is going to Mars.
She is going to the bank. તે બેંકમાં જઈ રહી છે.
She is going to the bank.
It is going to Jupiter. તે ગુરુ પર જઈ રહ્યું છે.
It is going to Jupiter.
They are going home. તેઓ ઘરે જઈ રહ્યા છે.
They are going home.
Continuous past tense. ચાલુ ભૂતકાળ. Form to go.
Continuous past tense. Form to go.
I was going to my school. હું મારી સ્કૂલે જઈ રહ્યો હતો.
I was going to my school.
We were going to see a film. અમે ફિલ્મ જોવા જઈ રહ્યા હતા.
We were going to see a film.
You were going to Gandhinagar. તું ગાંધીનગર જઈ રહ્યો હતો.
You were going to Gandhinagar.
He was going to Anand. તે આણંદ જઈ રહ્યો હતો.
He was going to Anand.
She was going to the station. તે સ્ટેશન જઈ રહી હતી.
She was going to the station.
It was going to the zoo. તે પ્રાણી બાગમાં જઈ રહ્યું હતું.
It was going to the zoo.
They were going to Saurashtra. તેઓ સૌરાષ્ટ્ર જઈ રહ્યા હતા.
They were going to Saurashtra.
Continuous future tense. ચાલુ ભવિષ્યકાળ. Form to go.
Continuous future tense. Form to go.
I shall be going to college. હું કોલેજ જઈ રહ્યો હોઈશ.
I shall be going to college.
We shall be going to Delhi. અમે દિલ્હી જઈ રહ્યા હોઈશું.
We shall be going to Delhi.
You will be going to Mumbai. તમે મુંબઈ જઈ રહ્યા હશો.
You will be going to Mumbai.
He will be going to bazaar. તે બજાર જઈ રહ્યો હશે.
He will be going to bazaar.
She will be going to the class. તે ક્લાસમાં જઈ રહી હશે.
She will be going to the class.
It will be going to the doctor. તે ડૉક્ટરને ત્યાં જઈ રહ્યું હશે.
It will be going to the doctor.
They will be going to eat chaat. તેઓ ચાટ ખાવા જઈ રહ્યા હશે.
They will be going to eat chaat.